Hey, how's everybody doing? It's PJ 437 Motorsports. Today's little video be swapping out the battery. I'm gonna pull it out in this part, and then I'm gonna pick one up tomorrow. Probably throw it back in tomorrow evening. Nothing comes up plan wise. That way we got a fresh battery. That'll be a start to getting this thing back going on the road again. So it'll be several videos. I know I gotta do the brakes so that the parking brake works. Then I may have to do something with the ABS because the lights are on from setting. So I don't know what that is, but I'll have to do something with that. But we're just gonna do a quick little video. Like I said, doing the battery for right now. Just want to swap it out. Need like an 8mm to do the side posts. 13mm an extension to get down there to the hold down, and we'll take care of that. So first things first, we're going to take off the ground. And then the positive. Now to make it easier to get to your hold down bolt. And there's your bolt and hold down. Put that up here out of the way where it won't get lost. You lift the battery out. Ugh. Everything down in there looks pretty good. No battery leaks or nothing, so I don't know what they did there though. Got some screws screwed in there. I guess that holds the battery box down or keeps the battery from sliding forward. Looks like it's broke off. But it does the trick, and the battery doesn't go anywhere, so I'm not going to fix it. All right, we're back. Got the new battery. Put this thing in. Hopefully y'all can see on the head mount. I think I got it angled right. I got the key in the ignition just stuck in there. Hoping it doesn't set the alarm off when I hook up the battery. But we'll see what happens with that. And always hook up your ground last. we go. Make sure you get these things in right, because you'll strip them out easy. And just snug them. You don't need to over tighten them. Alright, stick the ground on and see if it sets the alarm off. Alright, hear all the beeping and dinging and clicking around. There it goes. Ah. See, that didn't work. Oh, all right. Get in this old thing here. Cold start. Probably the first time it's been started up in a couple months. Needs a bath. Sounds good for a stock LS1 though. Check the gauges. Fuel gauge is coming up now. Every light is still on. Definitely needs an oil change. Not sure why the check gauge light's on though. Everything is working. It's not up to temp yet, so one step closer to putting it back on the road. Still got to get the windshield done and fix the parking brake. I think that's all it needed for the... I know I got a parking light or something out too. Definitely needs a tune-up. I'm hoping the ABS light and the traction control were just from it setting and the rust is built up, and hopefully that'll work itself out when it moves some. Dash is busted now from setting.
cracks in it.
So you can see that. I don't know if the angle's right. Probably got stale gas in it too. All right, well, that's one step closer to having her going. All right, thanks for watching. As always, comment, like, and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.